Alright, we know the question that we are here to answer, but like any good experiment, we're gonna have to do a control first. So if my lovely assistant here would hold me the scramble and the timer, we're gonna see how long it takes me to solve a Rubik's Cube with wonderful in front of the closet circumstances, and then we will see if upside down all the blood in my brain enhances my cognitive abilities or not. So the control scramble, let's do that first. Okay, we got the scramble, we'll do a little inspection and we'll see how long this takes standing, as most people do, upright. Okay, this. Alright, so 24 seconds, not the best time, but it's the control we're working with. And now, let's head on over to the upside down. Alright, just give me a moment to get strapped in. Okay, it's fine.
I don't know. I don't think it's a safety hazard.
Okay. Oh my god. I can feel my brain getting bigger already. Okay, well, here we are in the upside down, but I've done stranger things. Pun? Did you get it? Okay. Wait, I need to scramble.
Oh yeah. Okay. Here.
It's upside down. I feel like I'm gonna drop this on my face.
Don't worry about it.
Am I turning blood colored?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, now we will inspect. Okay. And
Is this good?
yes. And go. My fingertips feel like they're weaker. And it feels weird to hold because the normal way I would hold it feels like it's going to fall out of my hands. So I have to be more careful. My fingers are slowly getting number, but my head is getting warmer. I can feel all the thoughts at the top. I thought it wasn't going too bad, but 37 seconds.
Not bad.
So the conclusion is that blood in your brain doesn't increase your cognitive abilities, but you can still solve a cube upside down. You can put whatever you can do whatever you put your mind to, even if you're putting your mind towards the floor. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Miss you.